In a world racing towards the next frontier of technological evolution, two groundbreaking ventures stand poised to redefine the essence of artificial intelligence. From the strategic corridors of OpenAI, where Sam Altman charts a bold course towards semiconductor innovation, to the intellectual proving grounds of DeepMind's AlphaGeometry, challenging our very perceptions of AI's capabilities in logic and reasoning. Stay tuned to AI Chronicles as we unveil the future, shaped today by the visionaries daring to dream beyond the horizons of possibility. Welcome to AI Chronicles, where the pulse of artificial intelligence beats with the rhythm of human curiosity and ingenuity. In this episode, we delve into the heart of AI's transformative journey, guided by the ambitious vision of Sam Altman and the pioneering intellect at DeepMind. As OpenAI embarks on a monumental quest to revolutionize the semiconductor industry, laying the groundwork for AI's limitless expansion, DeepMind's AlphaGeometry emerges as a testament to AI's burgeoning prowess in abstract thought and logical reasoning. Together, these narratives weave a compelling tale of innovation, challenge, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Join us as we explore these milestones in AI development, shedding light on the future they herald for humanity and the digital world. In the labyrinth of modern technology, where each turn reveals new innovations and each doorway opens to uncharted realms of possibility, two narratives stand out, not just for their ambition, but for their profound implications on the future of artificial intelligence. At the helm of one such narrative is Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, whose vision extends beyond the current landscape of AI technologies to the very foundations that power them, semiconductors. Parallel to Altman's ambitious venture is the intellectual odyssey undertaken by DeepMind with AlphaGeometry, an AI system poised to redefine our understanding of machine learning's capabilities in mathematical reasoning. Sam Altman's journey into the semiconductor industry is driven by a clear vision: to build a network of state-of-the-art factories capable of producing the next generation of AI-powered chips. This isn't merely an expansion plan, it's a bold stride towards securing the future of AI development, which is increasingly constrained by the limitations of existing semiconductor technology. Altman's plan, unveiled at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, seeks to marshal billions of dollars in investment to bring this vision to life. The ambition is to create a semiconductor infrastructure that not only supports OpenAI's expansive needs, but also catalyzes the broader AI industry's growth. The venture into semiconductors is underscored by a critical reality. The AI technologies propelling us into the future, from generative models like ChatGPT to sophisticated neural networks, are profoundly dependent on the underlying hardware. Current advancements have pushed existing semiconductor capabilities to their limits, highlighting a pressing need for innovation in chip technology. Altman's response to this challenge is not just visionary but essential, promising to lay the groundwork for the next leaps in AI capabilities. Concurrently, the narrative of DeepMind's AlphaGeometry unfolds, showcasing AI's expanding intellectual horizon. AlphaGeometry's prowess in solving complex geometry problems, a domain long considered a bastion of human cognitive superiority, signals a significant leap in AI's journey towards achieving human-like reasoning. By blending a language model's pattern recognition abilities with a symbolic engine's logical processing, AlphaGeometry mirrors the dual aspects of human thought: creativity and rationality. This breakthrough is not merely academic. It represents a pivotal moment in AI research, suggesting that AI's potential to reason, solve, and even innovate in mathematical domains is burgeoning. The significance of DeepMind's achievement with AlphaGeometry extends beyond its immediate academic contributions. It heralds a future where AI's role in scientific discovery, problem-solving, and knowledge generation could be transformative. As AI systems like AlphaGeometry advance, their potential to contribute to fields requiring complex problem-solving, from theoretical physics to architectural design, is immense. This progress underscores a broader theme in AI development: the journey towards creating machines that can think, reason, and create alongside humans. As we reflect on these parallel narratives of Sam Altman's semiconductor venture and DeepMind's AlphaGeometry, a compelling vision of the future emerges. It's a future where the boundaries between human intelligence and artificial intelligence blur, where AI's capabilities are limited only by the breadth of our imagination and the depth of our curiosity. Altman's quest to revolutionize semiconductor technology is a foundational pillar of this future, ensuring that the AI dreams of today can become the realities of tomorrow. Meanwhile, AlphaGeometry's intellectual feats remind us of the vast potential that lies in merging human creativity with machine precision. In this elaborate exploration of AI's frontiers, as chronicled by the AI Chronicles channel, we stand witness to the unfolding of a new chapter in human ingenuity and technological evolution. These stories are not just narratives of technological advancement. They are testaments to the human spirit's unyielding quest for knowledge and its relentless drive to push beyond the known into the realm of endless possibilities. As we contemplate Sam Altman's ambitious endeavor to revolutionize the semiconductor industry, a foundational pillar for AI's exponential growth, it's evident that we're not just witnessing a business strategy, but a visionary's quest to ensure AI's future is not hamstrung by hardware limitations. This initiative is more than an investment in silicon. It's an investment in the future of AI itself, promising to fuel innovations that could redefine our interaction with technology and, by extension, with each other. Turning our gaze to DeepMind's AlphaGeometry, we encounter a dazzling demonstration of AI's potential to mirror, and perhaps one day surpass, human cognitive capabilities in domains once considered impregnable fortresses of human intellect. By tackling complex geometry problems with a blend of pattern recognition and symbolic reasoning, AlphaGeometry offers us a glimpse into a future where AI's contributions to science and mathematics could unlock new realms of knowledge and understanding. These stories, while distinct in their focus, converge on a common horizon, one where the future of AI is both a canvas for technical innovation and a mirror reflecting our aspirations, fears, and ethical quandaries. As we advance, the dialogue between human wisdom and artificial intelligence becomes increasingly significant, urging us to consider not just the capabilities we wish to endow our digital progeny with, but also the values, ethics, and purposes that should guide them. In conclusion, the journey through Sam Altman's semiconductor vision and the intellectual frontiers charted by AlphaGeometry is more than a tale of technological ambition. It's a narrative about the human quest for understanding, mastery, and co-evolution with the digital entities we bring into existence. As we stand on this threshold, looking into the vast potential of AI, we are reminded that the future is not a distant dream, but a present challenge. A challenge to innovate responsibly, to envision wisely, and to tread thoughtfully on the path that lies ahead. As our journey through the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence concludes, we stand at a crossroads, looking forward to a future illuminated by the ambitious visions of Sam Altman and the groundbreaking innovations of DeepMind. The narrative we've explored today is more than a tale of technological advancement. It's a testament to human ingenuity's boundless potential to redefine the boundaries of what machines can achieve and how they can augment our capabilities. Sam Altman's bold venture into the semiconductor industry and DeepMind's AlphaGeometry breakthrough are not merely milestones in AI development. They are beacons guiding us toward a future where AI's role in society is transformative, pervasive, and ultimately beneficial. These initiatives remind us that the future of AI is a canvas upon which we, as a global community, have the power to paint a picture of progress, innovation, and harmony between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. As we close this chapter of AI Chronicles, let us carry forward the inspiration drawn from today's stories. Let us engage in the dialogue about AI's future with enthusiasm and a sense of responsibility. The path ahead is one we forge together through our curiosity, our questions, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. But the conversation doesn't end here. It's just beginning. We invite you to join us in this ongoing exploration of AI's potential and its impact on our world. Subscribe to AI Chronicles to stay informed about the latest developments. Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below, and become part of a community dedicated to understanding and shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Do you have ideas, questions, or perspectives on AI's role in our future? We want to hear from you. Engage with us on social media, share this episode with friends and colleagues, and let's broaden the discussion about how AI can serve humanity's highest aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the frontiers of AI. Together, let's continue to explore, question, and dream about the possibilities that lie ahead.